Hello, friends and family. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I'm glad to have you on my channel, but please hit the subscribe button to be part of us. If you are old here, I'm super excited to have you again. Please want to watch the video and like, share, and comment as well. So, in today's video, we are going to be talking about rice and milk face pack. Yes. Did you know that this combination helps to brighten, lighten, and hydrate the skin? Did you know that this combination clears acne, blemishes, and even dark circles? Did you know that rice and milk is used in most soaps, toners, and creams? Alright, now you know. Let's start making a rice pack to clear our blemishes. Glow in the making. You'd need your rice flour or rice powder, whichever way you want to put it. I made this rice flour myself and I have a video of it, so I'll put the link in the description. Please watch it. You'd also need milk. This is 250 ml milk. You'd need vitamin E oil and then almond oil. You can actually use any oil of your choice. This tea tree oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. So we start by pouring half a cup of rice flour into our bowl. I'm using 500 ml milk actually, but this was the first batch, so this is the 250 ml milk. So I'm going to pour my 250 ml of Camber and come back. So we're going to add another bottle of raw milk to it. So I'll go ahead and blend and mix it well. You can use your any blender. You can use a hand mixer or a hand blender. You can use the normal blender at home. Okay. So we are going to boil this mixture on a low heat and then stir until it forms a paste. So we have our rice and milk paste, and I'm going to put in few drops of tea tree oil. This oil, I love the scent of it, and it has lots of benefits on the skin. So we'll add our sweet almond oil, a lid full of it. and a lid full of vitamin A oil. Okay. As I said earlier on, you can use any other essential oil of your choice. Then mix it together. Mix all the goodness, okay? All the goodness. So I think I've mixed it well enough. So I'll just transfer it into my storage container. Tips. If you want this rice and milk pack to work well for you, I advise you steam your face by introducing your face to vapor, okay? And then you apply this paste on your face for like 15 minutes. Then you rinse with cold water, please, not hot water or warm water. Rinse your face with cold water, and that's it. Do this for at least a week and then come back to the page, comment, and thank me later, okay? Kindly keep this in the refrigerator to preserve it. I hope you like the video. Like, comment, and share as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.